In 2023, ChatGPT was able to reach 1 million people in record time. People subscribe to use this rather interesting tool. But what exactly is AI and what is ChatGPT? I'm going to be taking you through the basics of ChatGPT, and by the time we're done, you'll have a very firm base to build on for future work using AI. I'm going to be taking you through basic definitions, a little bit of the history of how we got from the 1950s to where we are now with AI. I'm also going to be showing you how AI works. I'll show you the encoder and the decoder functions and the thought process behind that. But it's not just theory. I'm actually going to be showing you hands-on what you can do with ChatGPT and challenging you to carry out certain functions with me. I'm going to be asking you to go ahead and log into GPT, to sign up if you haven't already. So you're going to be learning all that. But then I dive into the plugins. I show you plugins that can be used to generate PowerPoints from scratch. I actually generate a couple of PowerPoints from scratch. And in this course, I also show you how to use the plugins in ChatGPT to write a children's book, a complete short story for children. I show you that plugin as well, and I show you all the bells and whistles, the functionality. I show you 10 standard prompts that you can use in GPT. But that's not all. After the CRASHGPT course, we go in even deeper. For those who want to go deeper into the definitions and into what's under the hood and how it all works, you'll dive into that part in part 2. So this is a very intricate course. The first part is very quick. I call it CRASHGPT. But the second part, I call it Zero to Hero. And in a small amount of time, I'm going to be showing you some powerful tips to get the most out of GPT. And in this course, I touch on a few tips and tricks that I put in my book. It's called the RGB model. You can find this. It's called AI Basics and the Prompt Engineering Model, the RGB model. You can find this on Amazon or wherever books are sold. But I'm going to be showing you tips and tricks about how to firm up your prompt engineering game. So what are you waiting for? This is the course you want to be on. It's the first course that I've put out for those who are not into project management. This is for everyone. So if you feel, hey, I'm not technical, I don't really know about code, I don't really know about process, don't worry. I've got you covered. This is the course for you. Dive in, and if you've got any questions, let me know. It also comes with a robust 52 slide deck, and you're going to get those 52 slides as soon as you join. So join in, and I look forward to having dialogue with you in the training. Bye for now.